What's up YouTube? Primal here, aka Arc Trooper, back in with a new Call of Duty mobile video. And today we're back with Madrea for a 1v1 on Nuketown for TDM. The only guns we're allowed to use are any guns in the assault rifle class, but we have come to an agreement of one gun being banned for the 1v1, which is the ASM-10, being a very short to kill death ratio at close range. So that's the only gun banned. We are not allowed to use Molotovs or trophy systems, but we are only allowed to use frag grenades and any other non-lethal if we want to. So I'm going to quickly unmute Madrea and we'll hop into it. You ready, my man?
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's hop into it. Good luck to you, sir.
Also, you butchered my name again. It's Madara.
I'm sorry, Madara.
No problem, mate.
Alright. So yes, all gun builds that I use in this 1v1, I'll have the link to the people that made the gun builds themselves in the comment section below. I know for Moto Clark's links I was late because I was busy, but I'll show you. I'll make sure to get them up early.
Oh my god, what is this thing? Freaking hell, what is up with my game?
Oh, you're using Peacekeeper. I'm taking your Peacekeeper.
Oh no, that gun is trash. And something's up with my screen, like it doesn't move. I love my Peacekeeper, bro. Freaking hell.
I'm running on 80 ping, man. You've got nothing to...
I got 130, what you mean? Nope, sorry.
Oh no. Uh-oh.
I know you chasing me, but... Oh no.
Ooh, good shot, my sir. Good shot. Alright. Kobe.
So...
Hit marker. Ooh, let's go.
Damn. I might put it on 16.
Yo, okay. I am loving this Peacemaker.
Peacemaker? What?
You ain't getting my Peacekeeper. Oh, okay, you're getting my Peacekeeper. But are you getting my next gun I'm using?
I use Ferd's build.
For a Peacekeeper?
That thing's OP. Yeah, he makes so OP build, I swear. Why is my gun reloading?
Hang on.
Yo, my aim is on pace. Nice rock dart.
Thank you. I wasn't sure if I was going to get it or not, so I was like, uh-oh.
Looks like you're around the car area. Good. Oh no.
Ooh, good shot, sir.
I love my DRH.
You know what? I've got an idea.
But I think you should ban it. It's like the SM10's brother.
Oh, I should come at you with a grenade, killed you that way.
Beat back the suicide bomb.
Yeah. Where are you, boy?
Yeah, I learned,
Uh-oh. Oh, good shot. Dead Silent got a nerf to it, thank goodness.
Yeah, I use head Bobby says.
Mm.
So that's not
Yep.
like high alert. I just remembered it.
Ooh, you missed me, sir.
Frickin' hell, I know you ready for me. Yeah, I hit fired. I know you banging the grenade, so. Frickin'
Oh.
hell.
Oh my god. Alright.
That hit fire though. Damn. Yeah, this skin pretty
Oh, I
good.
didn't think that grenade was going to go in.
Oh shoot, I been on the wall of my thing.
You were trying to take my... you're taking my primal draw, I see.
Take that though. Yeah, I like it. What you mean? Damn. That's awesome.
That ain't my M16 build. I'm good.
They're pretty good. Oh. Holy.
Got ya.
What's up with my hip fire? They messed up my M16.
Friendly Shock RC is ready.
Alright, next game we'll DR8.
No DRH, alright. We'll ban it.
Cause it's like it's some buzzer. Of course. Why? Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I know what to do. You think you're smart, huh?
Yep. Oh, good kill. Alright, no more DRH for me. Wait, did you hip fire me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Oh my
Hip fire
god.
got nerfed.
Yep.
Nope. I'm not dealing with that today. No, thirsty. Hell no. No way, I'm down the wall.
I didn't wallbang you, so...
That's not it.
Ooh, I should drop shot to you. I wasn't playing that well. Kobe.
I want to play Battle Royale next, like,
Oh, I should... Alright, you're using... Okay. We want to play AK-47? I'll play AK-47.
oh no. I'm using all the glitches, boy. What you saying, huh? I know you can't over there, but
Oh, wait. I want to see this kill cam. Oh. Okay. Shoot, 2 minutes left in the round.
caliber ammo on the AK-47.
Yep.
It's pretty good when you get to use it. Please, know what you're doing.
What do you think I'm doing?
With this car the whole time. I think they call you Bobby Play. Bobby talks a lot, though. Damn it!
I almost had you. You were literally a one-shot.
I saw that, buddy.
No way. I'm definitely putting that on YouTube.
You Kobe me. Jeez.
This is...
Go, buddy.
Oh my god. I cannot believe that just happened. If this hits you, I'm going left.
Yeah, I was running. Damn it.
Oh, you're using AK-117. I see a big boy.
Yeah,
Uh,
it's pretty good in VR.
and Peacekeeper's
I
better.
mainly play VR now. We need to do a sniper 1v1, books only.
Well, I've done.
Why? My hip fire is so trash.
50 seconds remain. Ooh, I see ya.
Damn it. What is my aim? Alright. On my screen I went to you.
Ah,
You played pretty good.
thank you, sir.
But you need to improve the movement though.
Yeah, I know. I play thumbs, not claw, so yeah.
You could practice claw.
I need to figure out if I can. Ooh, that was a good kill from behind. Nice job. Kobe.
Appreciate your compliment.
Yeah, no problem.
But I went up.
You were lagging pretty hard, brother. And that's the end of the video. So we'll look at KD ratio and see what that was, because overall, that was a good game. So right now for 1v1 Primal Force, I am 1-1. For next one, can we go 2-1? We will see. So let's quickly look at K death ratios. Yep, it's about 1.5. Accuracy, I could do better, but it was a 1v1, so yeah. Alright, Primal Force, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with friends so other people can get this type of content in their upload sites, not upload sites, in their watch video queues, and I will see y'all in next one. Stay frosty, Primals.